Hi, this is Christine for Trinity Stamps. Today we have a standalone die called Happy Little Tree Farm Die Set. The Happy Little Tree Farm die set is just so much fun. It comes with all the dies you see here, all the different dies to make the trees, the stumps, little faces on the trees, little ornaments, a little star on top, and a little sign that says Tree Farm. So I've die cut everything already, and I'm showing examples here of when you put them together, what they then look like. So this tree right here is made of these components. This tree right here is made of these components. This one of these components, and so on and so forth. I like to actually put it together first and then die cut a face into it. I find that the easiest. You can do inlay with that. And so this one right here is with the die pieces inlaid afterwards. Same with this one as well. But you can also just add the pieces on top from these faces. And that I've done right here. So I'm going to show you how to put one together. So I'm going to take some of these off. And we're going to put this one together right here. So I'm just going to pop, and by the way, I find this easiest I'm going to store the dies like this on purple tape so that I know what goes with what. Although you can mix and match and get all these different possibilities. Just for ease for me, I like to know what goes with what. So first I'll take these pieces here. I'm going to take them out of their dies. And I'm going to do a little bit of ink blending on top to just give a little, give a little definition to these. And this has a little purple tape on it, so let me just take that off. Okay, so I am using Forest Moss Distress Oxide ink. And I have a little itty bitty Trinity brush. You can use any little, you can use a paintbrush. That's totally fine. So I'm just going to add a little dimension, kind of the area where the two pieces meet. Okay. And I'm going to put a little bit on the ends of the pine tree as well. You can also use a marker as well if you want. Okay, so then I just like to use Connect Glue. It allows me to fuss around and make sure everything is sitting right. And then this one is also going to have a star. And as I said, it's easiest to die cut. I find it easiest to die cut everything once. So you'll pick a face that you want. Let's see. And run this through your die cut machine, and it will cut through both layers. Don't worry about that. You'll get it back, and then you can inlay the pieces. And then I'm going to pick a nice little stump. And This already has, I chose paper that has a wood pattern. Whoops. And that's what I love about Connect Glue. It gives you a lot of time to make sure everything is just right. And there you have it. A happy little tree. This die set is very versatile and will work with many of the products in our release, including the Slimline Twist and Slide die set and the wide pop-up box card die set that I have shown here. Well, thank you for watching. We can't wait to see what you'll make with our Happy Little Tree Farm die set.